Victor, and this is our cooking class. Let me ask you, do you like carrots? And what about a cake? I'm pretty sure you like it. Guys, let's make a carrot cake with a lot of chocolate. Yes? So come on, follow me. Let's check the ingredients and the material. 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, a coffee spoon of baking powder, a small cup of oil, and 3 carrots cut into pieces. Now let's check the material. A blender and a baking pan with a little bit of all-purpose flour and oil. Okay? Now let's make it. Alright, at this part, call an adult to help you. Okay? First, let's put the half of the carrots, not all of them, the eggs, and the oil. And now, let's blend it. When everything is mixed, you put the rest of the carrots inside, okay? And mix it again. Okay, after that, you're going to take a bowl and put the dough inside of it. Look. You can use a spoon to help you. Now add the sugar. Mix it up a little bit. And to finish, you add the all-purpose flour. And to finish as well, the baking powder. Okay, now it's my favorite part. Let's mix it. You can do it alone. Let's go. Look guys, let's go. Look! Wow! Amazing, right? Now, we are going to put that dough in the baking pan, okay? Look guys! Now, we are going to put that into the oven for 40 minutes, 200 degrees, okay? Okay guys, the cake is done and I made a chocolate syrup to put it on the top of it. Let's make it. Now let's cut the cake. Okay, now it's time to try it. Let's go. It's really good guys. You're gonna love it. When you make this recipe, take a picture or record a video and tag us on Instagram, okay? Bye bye guys, see you!